Hey there everyone, I'm Vickie Howell, founder and stitcher-in-chief of YarnYAY, and we're at it, my favorite time of the entire month when I get to share with you all of the products and projects and partnerships that are included in our latest YarnYAY subscription box. So I want to dive right in and talk about the February box. All right, as part of it, you always get one of these adorable aqua boxes, which is just like a little bit of happiness in your mailbox. And inside of it, there's all kinds of goodies. So let's see. All right, so I always start off with the yarn because, you know, YarnYAY. So first off, I got to tell you about the partner this month. So, you know, I love partnering with my friends, and my friend Amy Small is someone who I have featured on my show, The Knit Show, and in my book, Knit Aid, and I just really love what she's doing, and I've wanted to partner up really since the beginning of this company. So we've been going back and forth, and we were finally able to figure it out, and I'm so excited to be including a special put up, a collaboration Serenity, her boucle yarn. And so we are going to have a selection that you are going to get surprised by, one of several colors of a special put up that you can only get in a YarnYAY box of her boucle yarn. This is a warm, soft yarn that only softens up more when you soak it in a wool wash, and I'm really excited. This particular box is really themed around coziness. It's February in places. I hear it's cold. I live in Texas, so not so much here, but I've heard lore that February is winter, and so we are leaning into a comfort, a coziness that regardless of weather, I think we could all use right now. So this yarn really kicks off that whole vibe, if you will. All right, so let's talk projects. So for our project, we always have, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, we always have a knit and a crochet project. So for our knit project, we are going to be making these adorable, cozy, cuddly mittens. You will get a pattern that is for either this mitten, if you're a knitter, or you can make a fingerless glove version. You do you. And then for crocheters, so crochet takes a little bit more yarn, about 30% give or take. So for crocheters, what we did is we did these wrist warmers. Super cozy and fun and cute and soft, and I just dig them. So you will get the patterns for both of those. You get them as digital patterns, but also in every book or in every box, we include a full color booklet. And not only do you get the knit and the crochet projects, but you also get a page that tells you about all of the companies that you're supporting by supporting YarnYAY. So I try to team up with as many small businesses, women run when I can, to really sort of share some amazing products. If you love them, then go to their sites and their shops or your local yarn shop, support them, they rise, we're all good, right? All right, so that is in there. Let's see what else we've got. All right, so for our non-yarny products, I teamed up with this really great company called Sweet Body Laboratories. It is owned by two women who are massage therapists, and they've dealt, you know, forever with people having aches and pains from exercising, typing, knitting, crocheting, and they've created this really great Arnica recovery oil. It is an all-natural pain reliever. It is in a little roller bottle, so all you have to do is throw this in your notions bag. If you're feeling a little stiff, a little icky, just roll it, take it on out, roll it on your wrists or your thumbs. Like for me, my thumbs hurt. Roll it on, keep on stitching. So that will be included as well. Then, oh, watch out for the cuteness. We have a llama little tea straightener. So with this is silicone. You'll get, it's a wool themed, of course, cozy themed OVs. And then we can't let you have a tea strainer without giving you a little bit of tea. So you're going to get this amazing single serving of tea. This is from a local coffee trader called Coffee Traders, but it's called Texas Chai, and it is, I always wish that there's like feel-o-vision on these, but now I wish you had smell-o-vision. It's got cardamom and cinnamon bark, and it's a black tea, and it's just delightful. So all in all, you are going to feel cozy from head to toe to belly. So super exciting. All right, so along with that, you also get, we do lessons. You'll get video tutorials. You're a part of our really supportive YarnYAY community. We have downloads, community events, both live and otherwise, and giveaways. All right, so that's it for the box. If you decide you wanted to get a prepaid subscription of 6-month or 12-month, you get a free gift. You get this, our exclusive YarnYAY tote. If you buy the 12-month, you also get a baker's dozen, which means a free month, a 13th month. So that's all good. And then, of course, subscription or not, we always have our shop. We're building it up every day. I try to bring you as many cool new things with great partnerships and really interesting small businesses as possible. Coming up later this month, I've teamed up with 3 other women-owned businesses to bring a wool care kit. So keep your eyes peeled for that. And in the meantime, if you're looking for something, you will need double-pointed needles if you're making the needle or the knitting version. Go out, get them at your local yarn store, wherever you'd like. Or if you're interested, I've teamed up with Knitter's Pride. They manufactured my own line of aqua wooden double-pointed needles. And for the crochet version, if you need a little crochet hook, I've got those too. All right, that's it for now. I cannot wait to knit and crochet with you this month and every month. Be sure to go to yarnyay.com and I will see you with yarn and needles and hooks in hand soon.